Stereotypes exist all around us. They are not inherently bad either. It is a way of making sense of the world and filtering the chaos of information we are presented with on a daily basis. Stereotypes are, by definition, a widely held but fixed and oversimplified image or idea of a particular type of person or thing. They only become problematic when they cause us to judge someone based on certain characteristics. Stereotyping in this case is bad because we are projecting an image onto someone else. Stereotypes have been a problem with regard to race, religion, and gender. For example, one common stereotype is that men are better than women at sports. Let's use tennis as an example. Biologically speaking, men have the capacity for more upper arm strength than women, so it seems natural that women would be worse at tennis than men. However, the generalization that all women are bad at sports is a stereotype because they are generalizing that every man is better than any woman at tennis at any given time. This is a generalization that is simply not true. After all, I have beaten plenty of guys in my lifetime. Stereotypes permeate college campuses as well. The generalization that all computer science majors are socially awkward and live for video games is a stereotype. Conversely, the idea that communications majors are just sorority girls looking for an excuse to party is also a stereotype. Every major has a stereotype, although some are more prominent than others, so to find how they influence my peers, I developed a survey. In this survey, I asked my 11 participants how they ranked 6 characteristics across 6 different majors. Some were more consistent than others, showing how some stereotypes about majors are more prominent than others. One stereotype that was clear, however, was business communication majors. Compared to any other major, business communications ranked high in extroversion. Another obvious finding was how studious electrical engineering and biochemistry majors were. Surprisingly, 82 and 73% of participants ranked studious as the number one characteristics of biochemists and electrical engineers, respectively. In any case, stereotypes about college majors affect how students perceive their peers. We all have preconceived notions of what students are like based on their major. Again, it is not inherently bad to make these assumptions, so long as we don't judge anyone without first knowing them. Plus, stereotypes at least begin in truth. After all, research suggests that these stereotypes do influence how people choose their major and their career. More research needs to be done to see the extent of these effects and the exact mechanisms behind it, but as long as we are careful, we can use stereotypes to better understand ourselves and the world. Thank you.